Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with a functionality pro video for mainboard for LG 60PN6500. I'm sorry, the rest of the label was washed out. And this was sent by Lifeline Repairs or something like that. It was sent through eBay. And it was repaired and it is working fine. The reason I'm making this video is first, of course, to show that it is working fine. And this is the side HDMI, and this is our usual media player that can be seen in the rest of our videos. And this is HDMI 2. Let me do it in HDMI 1 as well. I want to make a note that the board was sent to us clearly worked on. I do not know who, and I'm not making accusation against anyone in particular, but the board was improperly repaired, and that is the reason why it wasn't working. This is HDMI. Okay, detected it. Saying HDMI 1, yes, we want it. And there you go, same player, this time from HDMI 1 on the side. The board is, as I said, 6500. Give me a second, let me show that as well. See. As you can see, this is 6500-UA, which is what it should be. So the board was sent to us and was previously worked on, which is in violation of our requirements. So the next time this customer will have to send a board to us, it will be not through eBay but through our website. Other than that, we'll be packaging, sending it back. This is another marking that's on the back of the board. This is today's date, 19th of November, and the board is fully functioning and will be sent back tomorrow. That's all.